Myron and Skylar from Wired brought over 30 Surefire compact door kits to the Cityfront property in Salt Lake. This area is part of a downtown restoration project, and while in transition, the stairwells and public areas of this facility have been targeted. Myron and his team were called in to add access control in a difficult retrofit situation. They felt the Surefire compact door kit with its any local power and battery backup was a perfect fit for this difficult job.
My name's Myron Burnett with Wired. We had a project recently where it had multiple buildings spread across the entire property, and they wanted to have every building secured with access control, which was a very unique, difficult challenge because it wasn't really practical to run conduit across all the buildings, and so the simple solution really became to use the Surefire bridges. Because one of the range we could take from one centralized location where we had all of our hardware located as far as the access control panels and then the Surefire bridges, and they were able to transmit to the farthest ends of the property. Some of them, they were a long distance, and with that Surefire bridge, it was an easy solution. And it didn't require any programming from our guys, so we didn't have to have any serious specialty knowledge. Training was more than adequate to make our guys comfortable with installing the product.
Wired and Surefire have teamed up on many such projects, and we appreciate their partnership. In this case, 33 Surefire compact door kits made this very difficult installation simple. Win the bid with Surefire. For technical and install support, call us at 844-787-3340.